bar mu shiga ba su bari ba ko no Allah was come here come this way they are coming a lot of them are coming from here You have a direction? Why can't drop it? Ni zan yi amfani da ita. Ya aiki ha? Wacce kamatan mai dogon wando kake so ka sata 6,500. Okay, ka sata 6,500 mai dogon wando. Bring him out here. Fito da shi da. Tana fito da shi da. Okay. 700 dozin goma.
Murtala.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Ali.
No problem.
They'll bring him out.
Okay.
I've already heard the story.
No problem.
I will take it.
All right.
Just call me in the next 30 minutes.
Yes.
Head of service ne Kabiru Usman.
Yeah, something like that. No problem. All right.
Okay, they're coming out, huh?
The head of service, I said?
No. But they But they came with an empty Prado Jeep. And the commissioner also came with another Prado Jeep. So I think the first one will escort him through that car. So because it does have this man saying, so that is the instruction we give. Don't allow any press man, just escort him out. I had him send it. See what I'm doing? You need to live coverage. Abu Salibu?
Hello.
Abu Salibu.
Alaji.
Abu Salibu.
He was at our station.
ABU. Abu ne H.
Let's get set.
Yeah, we should be getting set. Ours, from our own end, we are good. Then we need to call you, so I need to connect this.
Just set.
I need to connect this earpiece. Plug it to your phone, so use it.
Okay, we'll take it live.
Let's check it out. Plug your phone properly.
Layan ka kira ni.
Oh, escorting is absolutely. Shi ne abin da ya kasu. Commissioner of Police ne.
Da shi da osi ba na sasa
Na ji yana gaya wa ɗayan kada kuma 'yan jarida su abin da aka turo ma kawai ne escorting ɗinsu a wato tafi. Kawai da za ku yi shi, an kuri ka kuɗi shi out of nan don ma inda za ka yi zai aure shi. Sarki? Out of Kano ne ya yi.
a yanzu a haka
Of course. Haka dokar take yi. Daga baya ne ya yi sakila.
da matin da
Amma yanzu out of Kano ne dole. Probably Kaduna.
Kuma NBA chairman nan lauyan shi nan me sunan shi?
Mahmud there's Mahmud something ne.
Bashir Mahmud ne ko?
Akwai Bashir? But I know there is Mahmud.
Ni na san Mahmud.